Welcome everyone. Let's start today's job circular. It's about Brac University and the position is search for school managers, an exciting opportunity to make substantial difference. Over 20 years, Brac University has rapidly established itself as one of the Bangladesh leading private universities. We now seek to be recognized as a high performing international university by delivering teaching excellence, producing impactful research, and being recognized as a leader in student experience. Okay, you can read it out, the full description, and the job location is Brac University Mohakhali campus. That means the main campus of the university. Application procedure: interested candidates meeting the above requirements should apply online through bracu.ac.bd/about/career-80 at braccu. I will give the website link in the description box below that you can go directly to that link for application. And the application deadline is 24th May 2021. Please read the job description before you apply. So please read carefully. The description is given here. Candidate must have substantial management experience, the capacity to monitor budgets, contacts, and financial resources, excellent organizational and administrative skills, and strong leadership and interpersonal skills with commitment to the development of high quality and professional services. So this is the job circular for today. If you'd like to apply here, please follow the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you soon with the next job circular.